Hello, today we will guide you through how to set Cloudflare DNS IPv6 on Windows 11. In this walkthrough, we'll update the DNS settings for your Wi-Fi connection in Windows 11 so your device uses Cloudflare's IPv6 DNS. If you're following along, it helps to stay connected to the same wireless network while making the change, since these settings are applied to the specific connection you're using. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. This is where Windows keeps most network and connection options, including DNS controls. Once Settings is open, look toward the top right area and select the Wi-Fi option shown there. This takes you into the wireless network section, where you can manage the connection your computer is currently using. Next, click on Wi-Fi to open the detailed Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you'll be able to view available options and the properties tied to your current wireless connection. Now select your connected Wi-Fi network. Make sure you open the network you are actively connected to, because that's the one whose DNS settings you'll be changing. If you edit a different saved network by mistake, the new DNS values won't affect your current internet connection. After that, scroll down until you find DNS server assignment. This section controls how your computer gets DNS information. By default, it's often set automatically, which means the network or router provides the DNS servers for you. When you find DNS server assignment, click Edit. This opens the configuration window where you can switch from the default setting to a custom DNS setup. In the Edit window, locate the option that is currently set to automatic and change it to manual. Switching to manual allows you to enter your own DNS server addresses instead of using the ones assigned automatically by the network. Next, turn on IPv6 and enter the Cloudflare DNS values in the IPv6 DNS fields. Be careful when typing, since IPv6 addresses are longer, and use colons. It's a good idea to double-check each character before saving to avoid connection or lookup issues caused by a typo. Once the DNS information is entered, review the settings carefully to make sure manual is selected and IPv6 is enabled with the correct DNS values in place. After saving, Windows will begin using those DNS settings for that Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. You've now updated your Windows 11 Wi-Fi connection to use Cloudflare DNS over IPv6. If the change doesn't seem to apply right away, briefly disconnecting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi can help refresh the network settings.